Hello everyone, welcome to another Java video done by codeJunction. Today we are going to talk about a simple if-else condition in Java. We'll take a practical example for this, a real life day-to-day example. Like if it's raining outside, you need to take an umbrella with you. But if it's not raining, there's no need to take an umbrella with you. So let's represent this situation in a simple code. First we need to create a class and I'll name it as tutorial 5. Now I'll create my main method. Now it should be either raining or it should not be raining. It's either raining is true or raining is false. So I'll create a boolean variable to represent this. Think it is raining now, so it's true. So here comes our condition. It is if raining is equals to true, then we should print you should take an umbrella with you. Else means if the condition is false, then you should print you don't have to take your umbrella with you. It's simple as that. This is a very simple basic if-else condition. If the value of raining variable is true, the lines inside the if block will be executed, but if it's false, if raining is false, then the lines inside else block will be executed. So let's just run this and see what happens. Now the raining is true, raining variable is true, so the result should be you should take an umbrella with you. Let's see. See, it has printed you should take an umbrella with you. Now let's say there's a better way to represent this. In this if condition, you don't need to put double equals true to check whether a boolean variable is true. You just need to put raining here. If you put raining there, it will be executed only if the variable is true. So let's see again the result. The result should be the same. See, you should take an umbrella with you. The same results occur. Let's try making this false. Then what it should print is you don't have to take your umbrella with you. It has printed you don't have to take your umbrella with you. So it's quite easy. So let's say you are not just checking whether a boolean variable is true or false, but you need to compare values of integers, maybe doubles, maybe longs, anything. But what you have to do is you have to compare. So there are specific operators that should be used when comparing values. Let's just see what those are. First one is the one we used when we first executed the condition, that is equals. The operator of that is the double equals. Double equals checks whether the right side value and the left side value are equals to each other. But if you use a single equals, that means the right side value will be assigned to the left side variable. So in an if condition, what you should be using is the double equals if you want to check whether the right side value and the left side value are equal to each other. Then comes another operator, that is greater than. To check whether the left side value is greater than the right side value, the operator that should be used is this, and the other is less than. To check whether the left side value is less than the right side value, you should be using this operator. And then comes greater than or equals. Let's say greater than equals. That is, first, this is very important. First, you should put, if you are checking whether the left side value is greater than to right side value, first you should use this operator, then the equals. If you are checking less than equals, you should, that is also if the left hand side variable is less than the right hand side variable, you should be using this first, then the equals. Finally comes the not equals. Now if you are checking equals using this operator, but to check whether the left hand side variable is simply not equals to right hand side, or right hand side simply not equals to the left hand side variable, you need to use this operator. Let's just move them to the side so it is viewable. So these are the operators that should be used when comparing values. Let's initialize two integer variables named a, which holds the value 5, then the b, which holds the value 10. Let's simply check whether a and b is equals to each other. So that double equals operator should be used. Then we'll print a and b is equal to each other. Then if it's not, then a and b are not equal to each other. Here this should be corrected. Let's run this and see. They should definitely print a and b are not equal to each other. See, the output is a and b are not equals to each other. Now let's change the value of b to 5, so both are equals. Now this should print a and b are equal to each other. See, the expected result comes. Now let's change this back again to 10, and let's check whether a is greater than b. It is not, so the statements inside the else block should be executed. That is, a and b are not equal to each other. But the thing is, here we have to change what is printed on the console, because we are checking whether a is greater than b. So we should write a is greater than b. Here a is lesser than b. So Let's run again. A is lesser than B. That is true. So we can check whether A is lesser than B. Then the statements should be changed. Oops. So you can see here the A is lesser than B. What changed was the operator. So the same goes for the other operators as well. The greater than or equals will be true even when the A and B is equals or A is greater than B. Less than equals will be true even when the A and B is equal and also when A is lesser than B. Let's just check whether check the not equals. Not equals goes like this. Not equals, we'll change these printing lines. A is not equals to B, then A is equals to B. So here they are not equals, so what should be printed is A is not equals to B. Let's run it and see. Okay, A is not equals to B. That is true. So this is what a simple if-else condition looks like in Java. So I hope you understood how to deal with a if-else condition in Java. So this will be it for the 5th Java tutorial and my codeJunction. I'm Hasal Fernando. Please do subscribe our channel and like this video if you learned what the if-else condition in Java is. Thank you.